An official offer to Apple company. Good day. First of all, I want to apologize for my English. It's not so well, but I'll try to speak better. My name is Polyakov Danila. I'm 34 years old. I'm from Moscow, Russia. I've got some interesting offer for you. For the next, I'll read my offer. As we all know, there are too many people who want to be rich, but most of them don't want to work harder for that. Steve Jobs was a great man. He created a trend for all people of the whole world. Many people want to have some accessories made by Apple company. As someone said, if you are not in trend, try to make this trend. So I decided to try to create a new trend. There are too many people who want to make it. They have their own way. Somebody gets up, somebody gets down. Here is my look for that. It's a new application. Application for iPhone. It's a game. The game where the gamers can earn the money just playing this game. And I say about real money. The gamers can earn up to $100 per day and more. If the gamers can earn such money, you can see how much your company can earn. Later, you can calculate your profit by yourself. For the gamers, if you want to get more money, you just need to make some more actions in the game. The game is based on some of the human instincts and on the wish of gamers to get rich. I searched for something like that game on internet and there is nothing. There is nothing something like that in a whole online game entertainment in the world. Rules of that game has been largely written, but we can talk about them later. I'm not going saying them now, but I can give you a little information about economic statistic. The age of the recently gamers is from 14, 15 up to 23, 24 years old mostly. But the game is very simple and everybody can play this game. I suppose it about from 20 up to 40% of all users of iPhone wants to play this game. Each of the gamers will give about $10 for the first time, and most of them will enlarge it later. Company will have some percent from each money transaction in the game. I think it about from 5 up to 10%. So, you can calculate your profit by yourself. Maybe it's not the main direction in your company, but it can give you the new way of development. Now it's your turn to make a decision. If you have interested in my offer, you can contact me below. Besides, you can find me in a social network like Facebook and vk.com. My nick there is Danilov Zhik Polyakov. P.S. For all others, if you like my offer, you can contact me too, and we discuss it. Thank you.